Today in this video I am going to tell you how to pair a Roku remote or reset it. Here are some easy steps for how to pair a Roku remote or reset it. If you like our video, please hit like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. So friends, let's get started. If you want to purchase any product online, Amazon affiliate link is given in video description box. Please buy from that link, it will help for me a lot. So much thank you in advance for your support. As you know, a Roku device turns any TV into a smart TV, giving you access to millions of movies and shows. I think you know, two types of Roku remotes available in market. One is simple remote and another one is voice control remote. But in this video you learn how to pair it or reset it, no matter what type of remote you have. Method 1. For pair or reset a simple Roku remote. As shown in picture. A simple Roku remote uses infrared light to control the Roku player, so it is automatically paired with any Roku device. All you need to do is point it directly at the Roku receiver. Anything blocking its path, including a glass cabinet door, could cause the remote to stop working. Note: there is no way to reset a simple Roku remote, but you can remove the batteries and reinsert them or replace them with new ones. Or you can also reset your Roku device itself by pressing the reset button, which you will usually find on the back or bottom of your device, as shown in photos. Method 2. For how to pair a Roku voice remote. Step 1. Go to the Roku home screen. You can do this by pressing the home button on your remote. Step 2. Then go to settings. You can find this in the left sidebar menu by pressing the left directional button on your remote. Then press the up directional button once and the OK button or the right directional button to proceed. Step 3. Next, select Remotes Devices. Step 4. Then select Set up a new device. Step 5. Next, select Remote and then Continue. Final step. Finally, press the pairing button on your remote until you see the status light flash green. If your Roku voice remote uses removable batteries, you can find the pairing button inside the battery compartment. If your remote is rechargeable, you will see it on the back of your remote instead. Note: depending on what kind of remote you have, there might be additional steps to set up your remote with your TV, so you can change the volume and turn your TV on/off with your remote. How to reset an unresponsive Roku voice remote. To reset an unresponsive Roku remote, unplug your Roku device from power and remove the batteries from your remote. Then plug your Roku device back in and wait until you see the Roku logo on your screen before reinserting the batteries. Finally, press the pairing button on your remote to pair it. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.